Hey guys, we're here today to install the Saddlemen Road Sofa LS, which means lattice stitch, on the 2020 and later Challenger. So what tools do we need?
We are going to need a 6mm Allen, and when we get into the backrest, we're going to have a 10 and 11 socket.
Great. Let's get going.
Let's do this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove these side covers. Then you're going to take the 6mm, break that loose, get that out. There's one on each side, and you will be able to remove the seat at this point. So after your seat is, the bolts are out of the seat, you just simply slide it back and up. Once you have the seat off, you're going to need to remove this 6mm Allen because you need to change the spacer from the stock spacer. Saddlemen supplies a washer and a new standoff, and that is all you need. So when you're going to install the seat, make sure you pay attention to where the well in the slot is because you're going to want to match it up with the post. Just like that. Once you know you're in there, get this where you want it, give it a little shove, and you're in.
Excellent.
Now that you have the seat installed, the finishing touches are the two side screws, 6mm Allen, get that right in there, bingo. Reattach your plastic.
Go easy with that plastic.
Yeah, you get it right into the little slot, and
go.
there you go.
All right guys, so now that we have this Road Sofa LS on the bike, this option comes with a backrest. You will need to assemble the backrest and the post. A couple of features. You have 3 different height adjustments. You also have a dial here that allows you to adjust the lean and angle of the seat. Then also on the back, this is where you'll need the 10mm and 11mm for your bolt and nut. And you can adjust this as tight as you want or as loose as you want, and it'll let the seat move back and forth. So let's install it. You look for the receiver, click down once, click down twice, you're there.
I gotta tell you, this seat install was really simple. It looks great.
Yeah, man, it went really quick and easy. And look, this Road Sofa LS, sitting on this Challenger with a backrest, man, it looks great. I think it's ready for some miles.
Should we take it for a ride?
Let's go.
Let's go.